Explaining the buy limit. A buy limit is a type of order used in financial trading to purchase an asset at or below a specified price. It ensures that traders pay no more than the price they are comfortable with, making it a popular tool in market strategies. What is a buy limit? A buy limit is an order placed with a broker to purchase a security at a specified price or lower. This order ensures that the buyer does not pay more than the preset limit price. How a buy limit works. The buy limit order is activated only when the asset's market price reaches the specified limit price or drops below it. Until then, the order remains pending and unexecuted. Purpose of a buy limit order. The primary purpose of a buy limit is to ensure that traders buy at a desired price point, avoiding overpayment and capitalizing on price dips in volatile markets. Example of a buy limit. If a stock is trading at $50 and a trader wants to buy it at $45, they place a buy limit order at $45. The purchase is executed only if the stock price falls to $45 or below. Benefits of using a buy limit. Buy limit orders help traders maintain price discipline, avoid emotional trading decisions, and capture favorable price points without constantly monitoring the market. Differences from other order types. Unlike a market order, which buys at the current price, a buy limit ensures a specific purchase price or lower. It differs from a stop order, which becomes active after a certain price is reached. Risks associated with buy limits. The main risk is that the market price may never reach the specified limit, resulting in a missed buying opportunity, especially in rapidly changing markets. How to place a buy limit order. To place a buy limit, traders specify the asset, limit price, and quantity on their trading platform. The order is executed when the market price aligns with the limit price. Strategic use in trading. Traders use buy limits to purchase assets at support levels, during market corrections, or when they expect a temporary price drop before an upward trend. A buy limit order is an essential tool for traders looking to buy assets at specific prices. It offers control, discipline, and flexibility in market entry, making it invaluable in various trading strategies.